it's very cold today, and we're going to be going to the markets to get food to get stocked up because there's a snowstorm coming, and it's probably going to be really snowy and cold Saturday through Monday. This looks really amazing. I'm excited to eat this wonderful creme brulee that Lainey made.
Okay, you try. Good.
It's good. It is good.
Okay, your turn.
It's really good.
This would be great dessert for company.
So good.
Yeah.
It's a little dark because I used coconut sugar instead of regular sugar, but that's okay. That's how we like it.
Would you be able to double it and triple it?
This is doubled.
Okay, triplet. Okay, got it.
Video?
I'm
Most
videoing
people,
now.
that'll take
Hold on.
you 5 years to get that stuff.
I'm gonna say something.
Okay. Go.
Oh my. That is the best creme brulee I've ever had. What y'all doing?
Fix the curtain rod.
You're fixing the curtain rod?
Yep.
On snowy Valentine's Day.
Wow.
Got it fixed.
Good. Looks like we're about to start worship. We have to worship at home today because of the snow.
It's still fun.
Look at the snow. Oh, it looks like Hermana and them are calling. Look at the beautiful snow. Wow. God bless America. This America is going to be amazing this year. We're going to get it all good.
And
Texas.
it was snowing a little harder just a few minutes ago.
Yeah. Look at the Texas star and the flag in the background. Woohoo! Oh, that's right. All right, we got to go answer this phone and go to worship.
Yep.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy snowy Valentine's Day.
I'm going to give you your Valentine's heart later.
Me? Oh, okay.
Okay, so we're going down here. I got to get this hose. It's really snowy and cold. And I'm trying to get this hose. Hold on. Tux is barking at everybody and trying to get this hose because my faucet froze. Get back, Tux. There's some loose dogs in the neighborhood going crazy. And I got the heater on the hose out here on the thing. Hey guys, what you doing? Did you run up there and there wasn't any hay up there? Huh? Did you? Everybody's freezing? Tux, get back. Good boy. What are you barking at, you little brat? Alright, so Raj is doing hay. I think he's doing it out here somewhere. Where is he? He's playing with Landy, I think. He's not doing the hay yet, I guess. Alright, so I put the heater on here because this all froze. Animals need hay. Tux, you get back! You get back! You cannot do that. Alright, so I apologize about the yelling. I just got to make sure he stays back. Okay, so for right now, I'm going to get the hose, bring it in here. Okay, so I'm going to go in here and get the hose. And get the hose here. And bring it outside. I had to put it in the house so it wouldn't get all messed up. Because I didn't want it frozen. So, hold on guys. So let's turn this off for a minute. Alright, so we're going to turn that off for a minute. And then I'm going to put this on here. Hold on, guys. They're wanting their food. Okay. Tux, no! So I'm going to put the hose on there. And alright, so I'm gonna fill this. See how that's all icy? I'm gonna fill it up with some water. Alright, so we're gonna fill this with some water here. How come you guys are way over there? Boy, it's cold out here, isn't it? Okay, so let me reach in here and turn this up a bit. So this isn't their real trough. This is just a temporary trough that I put here. I think I'm going to bring a bigger one in here. I think I'm going to go get the bigger one and bring it in here. I'm just going to help out here. All right, so okay, so what I think I'm going to do is get this trough. I think I'm going to take this trough out there. All right, so what I did is I took this trough out here, and I think what I'm going to do is just leave it running slightly. I'm going to have to leave it running enough that it doesn't freeze. So I don't know how much that would have to be. So I'll just leave it running enough that I know it won't freeze. We'll see what happens with that. And I need to make sure I have my remote is right here. And I'm going to go put some alfalfa out here, I think. I'm not sure what I need to do about that. I just seem to be really having a hard time today. I feel really grouchy and I don't know, everything seems hard. So, anyway, I'm gonna get that fixed. I'm gonna make it not feel that way. Landy's out there playing in the snow. I'm trying to figure out about the hay. What?
I will tell you something.
Look, Dad's coming.
So I went
Put
out
this
there.
on me.
Huh?
Put it on me.
So I went out there. Me and Dad. Whoa. We were playing. The horses
I saw the horses.
went up there. Biggie was coming in, so I thought, well, I'll just get on and we'll do just a little tiny ride in the snow. And then, so I got on him, and he went.
Are you coming in?
He went the opposite way of the horses. He ran way down there to the creek, passed them out, and ran as fast as he could at the creek.
With you on him?
Yep. He turned, he jumped really big. He ran as fast as he could, turned, and went to the horses again.
Really?
So basically, he just went in a circle just for me to ride him a little.
Oh, how
She
nice.
showed me how she climbed a tree out there.
Wow.
Yeah, and
We
I,
took a walk and we went down the hill and up the hill.
yeah, there's a hill that had a bunch of snow on it, but I stepped on a slid
Wow.
all the way down. So then I kept doing that. It was so fun. And my thanks.
And it was like really cool.
I bet
Wasn't I kind of getting into it?
Yeah.
Was I getting into it pretty
Except
good?
for when I tried to climb the tree, I was like, "Come on, Dad." I said,
Well, that's because there was a lot of branches in the way.
well, you could do it.
It's easy. You got to remember, it's a little easier for you because you're shorter too.
Well,
I'm
yeah,
taller
but it's
and I'm
also
hitting.
easier for you because you don't have long hair.
Well,
All right, I'm going to pause. All right, let's go take the hay out, guys. Thanks for helping me through my traumatic experience.
Look at that snow.
See if you can figure out good places to put it where it's behind the... Don't let it fall off, because then they'll come up here. Get back! That dog makes me so mad.
Go, baby, go.
Get back! Get back! Get back! Get back! Let's see, very good. Oh, it's facing me. How did that happen? Hey, Boot. How's my Boot? She's a good girl. Hey, Pay. Oh, there's Am. Hey, Am. It's cold, isn't it, Am? It's cold, big girl.
She's pretty.
She is. She's a beautiful girl.
Beautiful. Someone's mad.
What you gonna do there, buddy? Where'd he go? He's going for that hay. All right. Did you get a snow? Here, hold this 1 second. Hurry, my hand. I gotta get my hand. Hold it right there for a second. Let me put this back on.
I caught another one.
Got another one? Cool. It's a winter wonderland.
I got it on my nose.
You got another one?
I got it on my nose.
You doing all right there?
Your
Your hand's freezing? Mine are too.
Mine are
Let's-
too.
Let's get inside.
No,
No.
can't play.
Oh, wait. No. Not on this camera.
Look over there. No, never mind. There was wind swirling and it was like a tornado picking up the snow. It was really cool.
No. Oh, watch out. Watch out. Hey, fish. Hey, fish. It's okay, Kai Kai. It's okay. Ooh!
I got you.
Oh, my hand's frozen, Landy.
Mine are too.
I don't think I like playing in the snow. No! I don't think I like playing in the snow.
No.
I gotta go inside. My hand's frozen.
Anything that.
You've got to be freezing. I don't know how to have fun with you right now. My hand's too cold. Can we do it some more later?
Yeah.
Come on. It'll last for a while. Woo!
Did you give me a no?
I did.
You
Yay!
did?
Yay! Woo! All right, Snow Girl, come on. Let's go, Snow Girl. Okay, guys. So it has been a weird day for me anyway. So I'm trying to get all the animals fixed out here and everything, and I don't know, I've been really stressed today for some reason. Anyhow, I think I got everything going. Got the wheelbarrow here. I'm gonna get the hose, take it back in the house so it doesn't get so the water in it doesn't freeze, and then I'm gonna put the heater back on this. I'm gonna put the heater back on there, and I've got that filled, and God willing they'll drink the water fast enough that I can fill it again and it won't ice over. I thought maybe since it's by the barn, like up close to the wall, maybe it won't freeze as bad. So we'll see what happens. All right. So I'm going to get all this stuff and take it up to the house because it's all frozen. So I can use the buckets later and get them unthawed. I've got the rabbits better. I've got the new rabbit is in there. I put him in a box in there. Anyway, I won't show it to you. But anyway, hope everybody's having a good wintry day.
dog's going crazy outside.
Landy's out there playing with Kion.
Visit Puerto Rico sometime, Mrs. Bird.
Yeah. I'm videoing Landy and Kion and Biggie.
You seen pictures of Puerto Rico?
Yeah. She's riding Biggie. Okay, so hey everybody, I'm down here and trying to make sure my faucet doesn't freeze. Tonight's been freezing and I've been fortunate enough to be able to get it going again, but I keep trying to turn it on and it goes back down to a drip. And then I've got this heater here, God willing, it's not going to be a problem. But I get the water going good, and then it goes back down to a drip. So I'm trying to decide how high to keep it on. And I've got this heater out here, and I don't like that very good. I tell you, it's just, it's snowing, snowing, snowing. I tell you what, I'm getting a, I don't care how much it costs, I'm getting a anti-freeze faucet out here. I tell you that right now. Anyway, so here I am. The horses are out here. They got snow on them. The chicken. Okay, so evidently it's going to get down to like 6 degrees or something tonight. And all this week we've got like probably 4 inches of snow already. And I think Texas has been declared in some counties an emergency because it's not used to having this cold of weather. So I just realized that we don't have any flashlights that are working. And I need to make sure we have candles in case the electricity goes out. And so I'm hoping that they just filled up our propane tank not too long ago. So anyway.
floodway or whatever.